How to refer a friend on Uber Eats and on credits. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to refer a friend on the Uber Eats and earn free credits toward your next meal. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as invite friends or the banner that shows how much you can earn by referring the orders. So here you simply have to tap on that, and after that you'll now see a unique referral code or share option. So here you can copy the code and send it through WhatsApp, text, or post it on social media. And now here, once your friends places their first qualifying order, you will get Uber Eats credit automatically added to your account. So here you can choose those credits on your next meal, no extra steps needed. And that's it. That's how you can refer a friend and earn free Uber Eats credit. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.